Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold faces profit booking after rallying to fresh all-time high above $2,480 level, along with price extend its losing streak for the third trading day, declining near to its key support at $2,400 level on downside, and break below will drag the price down till $23.75 and $23.30 level in near term. The important resistance is at $24.50 level on upside. MCX gold price, after making all-time high at 74,731 level, had witnessed profit booking along with trendline breakdown, indicates short-term trend is bearish. However, precious metal price has sustained below its key support at 73,000 level and expect further downside move till 72,050 and 71,700 level in near term. On the other hand, key resistance hold at 73,700 level, which will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.